In ancient warfare, siege engines turned walls into bottlenecks, transforming breaches into strategic breakthroughs. The trebuchet used a counterweight to launch heavy stones in high arcs, crushing battlements and creating usable gaps. Battering rams struck gates while mobile siege towers offered footholds, shattering morale and cutting defenders off from supplies. Engineers measured pulley ratios, timber quality, and crew discipline to keep engines mobile and accurate under siege pressure. A pivotal moment sits with the 1204 siege of Constantinople, where engines and tactics reshaped imperial destinies.